So today I am back with a unique and a new platform that most of my viewers don't know about. Pantech Solutions Private Limited helps to create new projects based on Arduino, Matlab, etc. It also provides internships and webinar courses. Today I am here to tell you about the upcoming webinar. The webinar's name is AI Masterclass using Matlab. In this, 10 plus projects are included. The webinar will start from 18 January and it will end on 1st February. And timings are 8 pm to 8:45 pm as per the Indian Standard Time. The webinar will be live on YouTube and the e-certificate will be provided after the completion of webinar. The registration is free, that's why don't miss this opportunity. For enrolling, you have to enter your email address, first name, mobile number, choose your category means current academic year or your profession, then enter your college or company name and then select your department. That's it. Good luck. So you can either enroll this course for free or you can buy it. So let's just concentrate on the features that you'll get after enrolling it for free. First of all, it will be of no charges. Secondly, you will get participation certificate for the webinar. You will get access only to the YouTube live sessions. So now let us concentrate on the features that you won't be able to get. So the first thing is you won't be able to download the source code worth Rs 10,000 rupees. You won't be able to get expert support for the assignment which is worth Rs 3,000 rupees. You won't have access to the videos anywhere anytime through the Pantech online platform worth Rs 3,000 rupees. You will also not get 60 days access worth Rs 10,000 rupees, and also you won't get dedicated WhatsApp support along with dedicated email support. So now let us focus on these features that you will get after and buying it. So now let us have a look at the paid course. First of all, you will get 2-month access. The course is worth Rs 999 and the early bird offer is Rs 750. You will get internship completion e-certificate. You will also have access to all the 30 days video worth Rs 4000 along with YouTube live sessions. You will be able to download the source code worth Rs 10,000 rupees. You will also get expert support for the assignment which is worth Rs 3,000 rupees. You can have access to the video anytime, anywhere through the Pantech LMS platform worth Rs 3,000. You will also get 60 days access worth Rs 10,000 rupees. You will have dedicated WhatsApp support along with dedicated email support. So I hope you've liked this video. If you have any doubt or query, then mention them in the comment section below. I recommend you to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.